saying you don't just come here winter, but you know what I mean. Look at it. A lot of people just bother turning up in summer when you've got the weather. That little birdie, look, absolutely stunning. Whatever time of the year. It's just a little bit calmer here. Still quite clear actually in this bay. But if you just look in the end, we're going to have a walk up here. We have to be careful, the wind is quite strong. So just coming in now, you can see how flat it is and then rough there, but I've just chucked it back on quick. There's a load of oyster catchers down there doing, well, oyster catchery things really. Lovely little birds, very unique sound. We just spin it around, see, quite calm here. So you can see the swell working its way in, and then over yonder. You can't hear me proper here, but there's a real good swell on. Look at them, really good chop. I don't know. What do you reckon that is? Metre and a half? It's waving. It's waving. But yeah, we're just on this little peninsula here. We're only going this far because it gets a bit dodgy, and then we're going to go on that bit there and have a look. But yeah, it's quite rough. Don't get too close to the end just to show you. Always one, isn't there? Always one. Just be careful, James. Stick to the dry bit there. Yeah, that's not dry, James. No, let's not do this. Or shall we? Nearly fell then. It's gone down there looking for treasure. May or may have not gone down this bit. Oh. Hey!
That way.
Nice. Found a magical path. Well, it's not really a path because it falls down there in front. But we can have a look. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Holding your phone with two hands is dodgy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I'm not getting there with two hands on my phone, am I? Right. No. Still cool though. I'm not even going to risk that. The big wet. That's where I've just been. It's quite cool though. Let's just watch it here. I doubt I'll be able to video. You never know. We'll see. Bad, there is no way on earth you're going to be able to hear this. I think this is where the video will end. But yeah, Porth Dafarch. Awesome little place. Very popular in summer, not so much in winter. I'm videoing it, I'm not even meant to be videoing this. Maybe not. No way you're going to hear it. Because it is really loud. Wind is blasting. That's mental. The wind is blowing again, so it's not too bad. We're going to get a little video before we go. Car's on its way out. Maybe not.